This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys, let us start today's session. Let us take the next example. So first I'm taking one character array. Char str1 is equal to some string is assigned here. Hello. Next, another character array is there of size 20, which is not initialized. Then I'm taking two pointer to character. One is char_t star s. Next, s is equal to str1 and t is equal to str2. Next, and after that, while star t is equal to star s, star t is equal to star s. Next, star t plus plus is equal to star s plus plus. Next, printf percentile s, comma, str2. This is my coding, sir. End, at the end, return 0. Now observe carefully. So almost everything is there. Character array is there, string is there, pointer to character is there, loop is there, post increment operator is there. So many things are there. Now, how to approach this one, sir? Okay, let me give you the clarity. Observe carefully. So whatever knowledge we are having, by applying that, we can solve this one. Observe carefully. Now don't go for solving this one. Observe carefully. Sir, this is the first line. What will happen with respect to this? One character array will be created. What will be the content? Hello. And at the end, one backslash 0 will be created, sir. And backslash 0 will be added. One backslash 0 will be added. Remember, whenever we are initialize the array, character array, by writing what is called double quotation string, then only compiler added the backslash 0 at the end. So let me draw the diagram first. This is the character array. How many cells are there? H, E. I already told you that whenever you will go for this type of problem, always make a habit of draw the diagram quickly. Don't calculate what value may come in your mind. Then it will lead to wrong result only. So here what is going to happen? Hello. H, E, L, L, O. H, E, L, L, O. And at the end, one backslash 0 is there. End of string marker. Next, what is the name of this array? str1. What is the location? First location, str1 of 0. Like remaining location, dot dot dot. You know that. Next one will be str1 of 1, str1 of 2, like this. What about addresses? Sir, if the address, first one address is 80, na sir? Character, na sir? That's why next address will be 81. Next, 82. Next, 83. Next, 84. And then 85. Super. Done. Next, So two pointer variable is there. One is char star t, another is char star s. Let me declare both of them. So this is t and s respectively. This is t, sir, and this is s. Definitely they are having some memory locations. Suppose 100 and this one is having 200. Any arbitrarily I'm considering. But currently what value they are having? I didn't initialize anything. So currently they are having garbage value. Currently they are having garbage value. Next and after that, sir, we are having another array. We are having another array that is str2 array. We are having another array. The name is str2. In str2, how many cells are there? So many cells are there. Currently not showing the interest of drawing everything because size is 20. Not going to draw all the 20 cells, just 4, 5 or 6 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like, sir, dot dot dot. It is having a length as size as 20. That means I must have the number of cells like 20, sir. So I'm not going to draw that 20 dot dot dot. Now what is the name of this array? str2. Okay, now you come to this line, s is equal to str1. Sir, is this line compatibility point of view, type point of view, is this line okay? First see the type of s. What is the type of s, student? Respond in the chat box. What is the type of s? Very good. The type of s is char star. Similarly, type of t is char star. Very good. So here from the type point of view, on the, if it is assignment operator, left hand side assignment operator, the type is char star. Similarly, if I ask you what is the type of str1, what is the type of str1? So many days, guys, from the very first day of array and pointer concept, we learned this thing. For one dimensional array, type of a, type of ampersand a, two dimensional array, we have done like anything. So tell me for this one one dimensional array str1, what is the type of str1, guys? Char star. Very good. So that means what? On both the side of assignment operator, now my type is char star. So that means compatibility point of view, it is perfectly okay, sir. Compatibility point of view, it is perfectly okay. Both side I am having char star. Same thing for t also, sir. Now str1, tell me, guys, what is the value of this str1? str1 means which value, where I will go, which one I will collect? 80 I will collect, because already you know that name of the array gives the base address of the first element. This is the first element, its base address means starting address. So what is the value? 80. Where I will keep it? Where this value I will keep? In s means, sir, here I will keep it. So that means now what is going to happen? This g is replaced by what? The g is replaced by 80. Similarly, let us assume for str2 array, the locations are 90, 91, 92, 93. Similarly, 94, 94, 95, 96, and then dot dot dot. Okay. Now t is equal to str2. So that means str2 value is what? The value of str2 will be what? With similar reasoning, so the value will become 90. Name of the array gives the base address of the first element. Currently, what is the first element? No elements are. Everything is garbage. All are kept here is garbage. Here G, here G, here G. Everything is garbage. Now come to this line. While start t is equal to star s, observe carefully. It's not equal to equal to. It's not equal to equal to. What it is? Assignment operator. It is not at all equal to equal to. It is the assignment operator. And what is that line? Star t is equal to star s. Sir, what does it mean? Oh, value at address, value at address T means what guys? 90 will become, or value at address 90 will get the value at address, value at address S means what? 80. You remember from your childhood now guys, x is equal to 5 means, sir, 5 will be assigned to x, 5 will be given to x. Similarly here, assignment operator. So how we will read? Value at address 80. What is the value at address 80 students? H. This H will be given as a value at address 90. The value at address 80, which is H, will be given as a value at address 90. So what will happen, sir? Very simple. This H, na sir, this H will be coming here, copied. The H will be copied here. Let me copy this. Let me copy this H. Tell me, student, at this location, just inside this first bracket open, first bracket close. Due to this line execution, what value is returned? Due to this execution, what value is returned? H is returned, not 1. From where 1 is coming. Start T is equal to star S means the value of address 80 is given to value at address 90. What does it mean? Sir, this the value that is returned at this line is that thing, start T. Start T means H. H will be returned. This H is not equal to 0 value now. Is the H ASCII value of H is 0? No sir, ASCII value of H is not 0. Then what will happen? Sir, I will go and execute the next line. Next line, what is written? Sir, next line is something like this. Next line is something like this, sir. Star T plus plus is equal to star S plus plus. This is what it means. Post increment, na? Post increment means later I will think, sir. For the time being, I'm not going to think. Later I will think. Actually, in the absence of bracket, how the compiler will bracketize the expression? Post increment is having high precedence. Post increment is having high precedence. And how the expression will be bracketized? The expression will be bracketized in this fashion. This is S plus plus. This is T plus plus. All right. This is how it will be bracketized. And then you can bracket this part again. That's your choice. Okay. Now what it means, sir? Post increment, na? That means at the end it will work only. At the end it will work only. Currently what I will think? Sir, currently I will think as if plus plus is not there. Currently I will think plus plus is not there. So what it means? Sir, start T is equal to star S. Or start T is equal to star S, just now I have done, sir. Start T is equal to star S, just now I have done. So what will happen? Sir, again this H value will be copied here. That's it. Again the H value will be copied here. That's it. That means H will be override by H again. But after that, what will happen? Sir, T plus plus and S plus plus will take place. Tell me, student, if T plus plus and S plus plus is taking place, then automatically the value of T will become what and the value of S will become what? The value of T will become what and the value of S will become what? Sir, the value of T will become 91. The value of S will become what? 81. 91, 81. Loop will rotate and again it will execute this line. Start T is equal to star S. This time what will happen? Oh, the value at address 81 will be copied to value at address 91. No, sir. That means what will happen? Sir, it will become E. Again, it will come to this line. Same thing. Start T is equal to star S, sir. Start T is equal to star S. That means E will be override by E. T plus plus. Oh, that means 90 to 82, sir. 90 to 82. So in this way, how long it will copy? Next, L 93, 83. L 94, 84. Next, O 95, 85. Up to this is done. So lastly, what is copied? O. current value is what? 9585. 9585. I'm not showing everything, you can understand. So now the values are respectively dot here 95, and here also the values are here also dot 85. Loop rotates again. What it is taking? Star t is equal to star s. What does it mean? Sir, value at address s, that means 85. Value at address 85 is what? Backslash 0. Value at address 85 is what? Backslash 0. Now what will happen, sir? Backslash 0 ASCII value is what? Backslash 0 ASCII value is what? 0. Backslash 0 ASCII value is what? 0. That will be given to star t. That means what? Oh, that means this time what will be copied? This time what will be copied here? Backslash 0. What will be copied? Backslash 0. But backslash 0 ASCII value, you said what? 0. That means what value will be returned here in the while loop? 0 value will be returned. If 0 value will be returned, will you enter in the loop anymore? Will you enter in the loop anymore? No. Then what you are printing? Sir, I'm printing str2 array. And what format specification I used here? Percentile s. Percentile s means what? Percentile s means print until you get a backslash 0. But from where? From where I will print? Printf is asking. Okay, I will print until I get a backslash 0, but from where I will print? You print from str2. str2 means what? Name of the array. Name of the array gives what? Base address. So automatically what you are telling? From 90, from this 90, can you please everything until you get a backslash 0? From 90, can you please everything until you get a backslash 0? Then how long you will print? What will be the output then? Sir, the output will be HELLO. Let me execute the code once. Execute, compile and run. Any doubt, students? 100% clarity you got? Yes, sir. Very good example, na? Next. Suppose I'm having a character array. Char str is equal to, here I'm taking some string. What string, sir, I'm taking? Say, okay, Python, I'm taking /0 followed by I'm taking Java /0. This is my string set. Python /0, Java /0. Now I'm printing here printf double quotation. I'm writing here %d and I'm writing here size of str. Size of str I'm printing, sir. Now in this case, what will be the output? $13, na? Achha. Let me verify it once. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, another backslash 0 sir, 13. Very good. Execute, compile and run. Perfect. Very, very good. Now you have learned that there is no point of making any mistake. Acha. Tell me, students, before that, before I ask you, let me copy this. Suppose I'm asking you size of str. What will be returned? Good. Sir, 1 will be returned. Why 1? Sir, every string ends with a backslash 0, na? Yes. See this. Execute, compile and run. But if you ask the same thing, if you ask the printf strlen of str, what we will get? Strlen of str, what we will get? 0. Execute, compile and run. 1 0. Achha, just new line and string.h require. New line, sir. And here string.h. So this is the proof for you that really compile and insert that backslash 0. This is nothing but the proof for you. Sir, here definitely compiler added backslash 0. That's why when I calculate the size of str, na sir, it's giving 1. But strlen excludes backslash 0 while calculating the length. Size of includes backslash 0. Strlen excludes backslash 0. That's why the answers are coming as 1 and 0 respectively. Next. Suppose, for example, here I'm taking a character array of some size 25. Double quotation. Here I'm taking some string, say Federer, Roger Federer. Now here, what I want, sir, I want to print, let it be percentile s. I want to print ampersand str plus 2. Ampersand str plus 2. I hope you remember that discussion. What is, for one-dimensional array, what is a and what is ampersand a? How they increments? You know this thing. Now tell me, what will be printed, sir? What will be printed? Good. Sir, garbage will be printed. Very, very good. So tell me, for this character array, type of str is what? Type of str is what? Char star. Then type of ampersand str is what? Type of ampersand str is what? Super. Sir, pointer to an array of character. And what is the array of character size here? 25. Now, when this fellow will increment, how he will increment? He will increment by what size? This fellow will increment by what size? Increment by Increment by what size? Array str will increment by what size? 8 bit. B means bit. Sorry, why you are saying 8 bit? Say now 1 byte. Will be incremented by 1 byte. But he will be incremented by what? Increment by, or this fellow. How he will increment? He will be increment by 25 byte. Very good. 25 byte. So now what you are telling? Whatever is the current ampersand str plus 2 means plus 25 plus 25 means become 50. Means become 50. So that means, suppose sir, this is the character array. This is the character array. Currently who is there? Federer is there. From here to somewhere it's going to end this R. In between remaining characters are there. And of course after that one \0 is there. And definitely my array is not filled it up all the 25 characters. Because Federer what maybe how many characters are there? 8, 9 like this, 7, 8, 9 like number of characters are there. So these cells are basically empty. These cells are empty, rather not empty. Whenever we initialize an array partially, remaining elements are filled with, if it is integer array, remaining elements are filled with zeros. Remaining elements are filled with zeros. But if it is a character array, I think remaining elements are filled with spaces. If it is character array, I think remaining elements are filled it with spaces. In case of the character array. Okay. Now, sir, ampersand str. Suppose it is 80. This is 80. You know how to draw this one-dimensional array? Sir, put it inside a box. Put it inside a box. First character's address is also what? 80. The entire array's base address is what? That also 80. Sir, suppose if I ask after f what is there? Sir, E is there. What is the location? 81. But if I ask after this 80, what is the next location? Then you have to tell, sir, let me calculate the 25 size here. Then wherever I will reach, that will be the value. So this time it says 2 times. So that means what? 80 plus 25 plus 25. Sir, 80 plus 25 is taking me 100, 105 plus 25 is taking me 130. In 130, what is there? How do I know, sir? In 130, what is there? How do I know? That means what? Compulsory, I can tell you, sir, this is going to print a some garbage thing is going to print it. What is going to print? I even don't know. So some garbage will come. Execute, compile and run. Something maybe not printing. Something means I cannot predict what will come. That's it. Once you are not able to predict the thing, that means garbage. Now it is a space, it's a zero, whatever it is. Are you in a position to predict that? No. That means in one word, what you will say? Sir, garbage value will come into the picture. So in this case, what we are going to get is nothing other than garbage. Any doubt, students? No. Let us take the next one. Achha, tell me guys. I'm taking this code. What is the output of this code? Achha, give me 1 minute time, students. You do this. Coming back within 1 minute. Yes, students. Sir, what is the output in this case? No, 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 not Federer. See, where is the mistake lies here. Observe carefully. You know this. Okay. Type of str. Type of str, students. Care. Type of Federer. Type of Federer. You remember? I ask you to remember two lines regarding string. What is that, sir? Inside double quotation, whatever we write, that is called string. String stores somewhere in the memory. Which memory? Read-only memory. String stores somewhere in the read-only memory. And then it returns. Returns means it gives. What it gives? Sir, base address of the first character. Base address of the first character. Who is the first character? F. Its address. So someone is giving you character's address. This fellow is giving you character's address. So what about its type? Sir, its type will be char star. Its type will be char star. Someone is giving you integer's address. What about its type? Int star. Someone is giving you character's address. What about its type? Char star. So in this line, compatibility mismatch is happening, sir. Types are not compatible. Let me compile this code. You see, there is a warning, sir. Initialization makes integer pointer without a cast. Initialization makes integer from pointer without a cast set. That means one is char and another is char star, right? Typecasting is not happening. If you do make typecasting, then it will work. But then why it is telling initialization makes integer from pointer without a cast? Actually, they are saying as because it is returning something, what? Base address of the very first character. Address value is always integer, na? Address value is always integer value. That's why they are giving this message in this way. Initialization makes integer from pointer without a cast. But we can understand, sir, where is the mistake lies? Compatibility mismatch. Actually, we are not going to get any error in this case, but definitely the predicted output may not come, right? The predicted output may not come. I cannot give the guarantee that it will come because I made some mistake. Initially, if it is come, it is going to be not working for the long term of the program. See here, something unpredicted thing came from where this null and that too also inside first bracket, open first bracket. Something unpredictable type of things are coming, sir. Totally unpredictable type of stuff, sir. It's never expected that this kind of thing is going to come. Why? Because already at the beginning they are giving me the warning that don't take this type of approaches. Don't take this type of approaches. So this means what, sir? This is basically the option is in this code. What will happen? I'm not going to get any output. Now I'm not going to get any desired output. That is the only issue. It will not give me any compilation error. But the thing is that when I will run the application, I'm not going to get my desired output. That is the issue. Understood, guys? Pointer concept, types, every day almost the same point repeatedly somehow comes, that is in terms of the string or whatever, some same points repeatedly with respect to different example they are coming. So every day we are discussing means another 3 or 4 days also you will discuss, and I hope after that you will definitely be ready. Now almost you remember in your initial 1 or 2 days, sir, it seems a bit difficult. Now though you are making mistake, but things are not, now you are understanding the things, sir. It is now not that much difficult, sir. Next, let me go for another one. Char str is equal to, I'm taking here some string Nagpur, str of 0 is equal to, I'm writing here k. Next, printf percentile s str. Next, str is equal to Kanpur. printf percentile s str plus 1. What is going to happen, sir, in this case? What is the output we are going to get? Acha. Observe here first. Say I'm commenting this portion. I will bring this portion later. What it means, sir? Char str array is equal to Nagpur. That means in the str array, the content is Nagpur. Now their first location value, you are writing str0k, and then you are printing that. So that means it will become Kakpur, right? Is it, sir? Execute, compile first, no error, run. Our expected answer is Kakpur. Upar. No problem up to this. I'm bringing this part into the picture. Observe carefully. What is this student? Writing anything double quotation. Same point. See how it is coming? Writing anything in double quotation, open double quotation, close. What it means? String. String gives you what? Base address of the very first character. So can I say that on the right hand side of assignment operator, I will definitely get some base address, whatever it may be. Some base address I will get. Actually, I will get what? Base address of k. Base address of what I'm going to get, that base address of k. Agree to this point, guys? String, double quotation open, double quotation close is string, and it returns the base address of the very first character. That means very first character is what? K. So what you are going to get? Base address. Base address of k. So that means what? Some numerical value, let it be 8000. Base address means some numerical value I will get. 8000 I will get. Now come here. Sir, str. str is what, guys? Name of the array. Name of the array also gives you what? Name of the array also gives you what? Sir, base address of the very first element. Base address. So for the str array, let us assume the base address is 4000. str array base address is 4000. Now you see the assignment statement. 4000 is equal to 8000. Are you violating the rule of assignment operator? Are you violating the rule of assignment operator? Yes. Sir, I thought str is a variable here. Yes, your thought is right. str is a definitely variable. But that's a array name, na? Array name returns something. Array name returns something. But variable name doesn't return something. Array name returns something, na? Base address of the first element. So now what error you are expecting? You know the name of the error. If this type of stuffs are there, what error is going to come, sir? Violate L value required will come. Let's see. Execute, compile. Actually thing is that in old compilers, the L value required error comes. Nowadays, sometimes they give the answer, they give the error in this point, in this option also. Instead of giving the L value required error, sometimes they give the error in this language also. See, read assignment to expression with array type. That means the assignment is happening to an expression. Assignment to expression of array type. Type of str is what? Array type. Sir, str is an array only. So instead of giving the L value required error, sometimes some compiler give this message also. That means assignment to expression with array type. But conceptually, we are correct, sir. It's not going to happen. It's definitely going to give me the error, and that is why the error is coming. Understanding, guys? Any doubt? See, one thing you observe, the same point somehow, sir, they are repeating. same that cat star, sir, base address, string stored somewhere in the memory, like the same points repeatedly coming, sir. Next enough. Only thing is that you have to carefully observe each line, drawing the diagram, apply those points what you have learned, then you'll able to do that, sir. Next and after that. I'm taking here one character array, sentence of size 80. Next, int I, printf, enter a line of text. Enter a line of text. Next, get s sentence. What is get s? Listen carefully. Name of the function is get s. S stands for string. Get the string. Normally what happens when we read a string from the keyboard, if you use scanf function is having one limitation. What is the limitation? The limitation is scanf function can't read space. Scanf function can't read space. So in your string, if multiple words are there, even if you enter multiple words, once the scanf function got that space, now it will stop reading. It will stop reading. Suppose for example, this is the character array and I'm writing printf enter a string. And suppose for example, you are using scanf function to read that. Double quotation %s, name of the character array, sentence. Observe ampersand not required. Why? Sir, name of the character array gives the base address, na? So base address automatically I'm getting. Why should I go for ampersand, sir? But integer variable, float variable, long variable, they are definitely ampersand must have to be there, sir. Now after that I'm printing that character array. Printf %s sentence. Now you see, execute, compile and run. Enter a string AAA space BBB space BBB. Scanf will say I will read up to AAA. You give space na. After that you can write entire world. I will not consider. You see, when you print the character array, only AA is going to come. Understanding, guys? Drawback of scanf statement while reading string. What is the drawback of the scanf statement? Sir, it can't read the space. Then how can I rectify the situation? How can I come back? How can I get rid of the situation? No, it's not that much difficult. We will go for getS function. What is the function? GetS. We will say no, don't use this one. Instead of this, use getS. Get the string, then just pass the character array name. Sentence. Now you see, execute, compile and run. AAA space BBB. GetS don't have any problem. You will read the space also. Now you see, enter string will get as the output. Understanding, guys? Got the clarity between getS function and scanf function while reading the string? Everyone got the clarity? Now there is another difference is there. What is the another difference? In scanf function, this type of thing will definitely be there. Sometimes %d, %a, %c, %s. These are called formatted string. These are called format specifier. These things are called what, guys? Format specifier. So scanf function is a formatted function. That's why the name stands for that. Scanf means scan formatted. That F character in the scanf stands for what? Formatted. Same for printf also. Print formatted. Some people do this. A printf full form is printf function. No. Print formatted. Scan formatted, not scanf function. Some people wrongly say that. Okay. Now both of them are formatted function. Why? Because format specifier can be used there. But getS is unformatted function. No format specification. No format specification is there in the getS function. Next, sir, using scanf, I can read integer, I can read character, I can read float, I can read double. But using getS, you can only read strings, sir. Limitation na guys. Flexibility less, but using scanf, I can read any type of data types. Sir. So these are the differences between scanf function and what is called getS function. Now take this code. Now I'm removing this one. Enter a line of text. Reading is complete, sir. Now what I want to do, for I'm writing here I is equal to strlen of sentence. That means that character array length minus 1. I greater equal to 0. I minus minus. Here I'm writing put char. That means can you please put the character where? Of sentence array ith position. Can you please put the character at the sentence array ith position? Now observe here guys, you will able to give the answer. Suppose enter a line of text. This is coming in the command prompt. Enter a line of text, sir. I enter learning C is fun. That's it. And then I press enter. As soon as I print enter, na guys, a backslash zero is incorporated. As soon as I press enter button, backslash zero is incorporated. So this is done. Now what is the length of the sentence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I is equal to 17 minus 1. That means what? 16. What is the index value? You know that? The 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. Length 17 means last character is 16, sir. Length 17 means, if the string is A, length is what? 3. Index value last is what? 2 na? So last index value is always length minus 1 na? Yes. Length is 17. Then last index value 16. So I is equal to strlen sentence 17 minus 1, 16. What is the I value now? 16. 16 greater equal to 0. Yes. Put char sentence I. That means in the sentence array 16th position, whatever character is there, can you please put it here? What is that, guys? N. Next time loop decremented. I minus minus. Oh, 15. Put char sentence I. Which one, guys? U. Next time F. Next time space. Next S. I space C array. N F space S I space C G N I N R A E L. Tell me, guys, what this code is going to give me? What the code is going to give me? Reverse string. Very simple, na? The code is going to give me the reverse of the inputted string. Whatever string I will input, it will give me the reverse of the inputted string. Any doubt, students? Understood both the new thing getS function, differences with scanf, and another new function putChar. Okay, sir. Let us go for the next one. This is this. See, I can complete this chapter within 1 or 2 days, but this is the chapter where I'm spending most of the time. Array, pointer, string, sir. Most of the time I'm spending here because this is the part which you have to learn perfectly, sir. Remaining things are very, very easy. Spending too much time with for loop, only with array, function, meaningless. The more time I will spend with pointer, character, string, array, you will learn it perfectly. Okay. Here I'm taking this one. Okay. And here I'm having two string. Hello here, Java here. Acha. Then I'm calling a function swap. To swap function, I'm passing ptr0, comma ptr1. Next, printf. Next, percentile s slash n percentile s. Okay. Then here I'm having two things, ptr0 and then ptr1. Done. Sir, you call swap function, na? So you have to define that swap function. How can I define? Void swap. Here I'm writing char star t1, comma char star t2. Next, and after that, inside it I'm writing char star t, and here I'm writing t is equal to t1, t1 is equal to t2, and t2 is equal to t. Right, guys? Let me show you practically, because if you calculate in your mind, you will going to make the mistake. Diagram I definitely need, sir. The very first thing where we will concentrate is this one, sir. This is where we will spend the most of the time. Next, this, and then this. Remaining things are very, very easy. Now tell me, students, step by step, what is this? What is this? String. Immediately what it will strike to your mind? Oh, string means it will be stored somewhere in the memory. Where? That I don't know, sir. Somewhere in the memory it will be stored. Done. Same way, another string. Where it will be stored? Somewhere in the memory it will be stored. Which memory? Sir, read only memory. Meaning, sir, this content I can only read, but I cannot make any changes to that content. That's the meaning of read only memory. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Same way, we are having another. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Two array is there, not array, just the two strings are stored somewhere in the memory. Where they are stored, I don't know. After storing, what it will do? English word. After storing, in the memory, what it will do? Sir, it will return the base address of the very first character. Assume that base address of the very first character is 70 here, then automatically 70, 71 dot dot dot. Similarly, base address of the very first character is what? 80, 81, like that, dot dot dot. Tell me, student, as per the example is concerned, as per the example is concerned, as per the diagram is concerned, currently in these places, which values are there? In these places, which values are there as per the diagram? 70 and 80. Super. 70 and 80. Are these normal values? Are these normal values? No, they are special value. Now, today I'm working with 2 string. I can have 200 string also now. I can have 200 string also. In that case, instead of having 2 address value, how many address value I'm going to get? Sir, 200 address value I want to get. 200 address value I want to get. Now, suppose 200 address value is there. Now, to store these address value, simple guys, we need, suppose I am asking, I need to store 100 normal integer value. I need to store 100 normal integer value. What I require? I need to store 100 normal integer value. What I require? Super. Sir, integer array. Symbolically, that's it, sir. Now I'm telling I need to store 200 special integer value. Special value means address value. What I need? Very good, Ayush. Superman. Sir, I need very good. I'm very much impressed with your answer. Sir, I need to store 200 special integer value. Then what I need, sir? Sir, symbolically what I need, in star, third bracket open, third bracket close. Sir, what it is technically called, technically you come as per the precedence associativity. Whose precedence associativity is, whose precedence is higher? Sir, third bracket open, third bracket close. That means what I need? Sir, I need an array. I need an array. Madhurin, observe. I need an array. This is done. Array of what? Sir, remaining things. Remaining thing is what? Star. Then array of pointers. Array pointers is abstract word. You have to tell pointers to where. Then what will say? Array of pointers to int. Understanding? It's not pointer to an array. It's a array of pointer. Pointer to an array and array of pointer is completely different thing. It is not pointer to an array. It is an array of pointer. You said na 200 special integer value. That means what? Sir, array of addresses. Array whose address? Sir, integer address. Our integer address technical terminology is what? Pointer to integer. Then array of pointer to an integer. If it is character's address, sir, then array of pointer to character. Understanding my statement, guys? So now as per this example is concerned, we need to store address values. Whose address value? 70 and 80. So that means what I need? Sir, I need array of pointer. What we need? Array of pointer to as per this example, character. Array of pointer to character. Symbolically, sir, char, star this, char star this. Now you look into this. Now look your analysis and what they have given. Same na? Your analysis and what they have given same? Yes. Means what? Sir, I have an array. What is the name of the array? Sir, PTR. How many cell is there in that array? Sir, 2. What is the name of first cell? Sir, PTR 0. PTR 0. What is the name of the second cell? Sir, PTR 1. Just drawing the array vertically, nothing else. Let me move this a bit right side. Any doubt with this diagram? Then what value is coming here? What values is coming here, sir? 70. What is coming here? 80. Name of the array is what? PTR. Every memory location must have some address. Let it be 1000. Then what about the next address? 70 and 80 are integer values. Their address is their integer values. So automatically next address will be 1004. Any doubt with this PTR 0, PTR 1? This diagram of the PTR array? No. Now what you are telling? Swap PTR 0, PTR 1. Acha, I'm leaving up to this. I'm just stopping the session here because I have another class I have to take already 9:31. So I'm just stopping here, guys. Take a snap of the picture. Remaining things you have to complete. Tomorrow, at the very beginning, I will give you the clarity about this. And before, if you can complete, because already diagram is done, means you should make it complete. So just take this as a homework. If you're able to do that, then it is fine. Otherwise, tomorrow I will show this one. Remember this diagram? String 5. Okay. Thank you, guys. Take a picture of this. You try the remaining portions, and tomorrow come with the answer. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, just a minute, sir. Yesterday you shared a number, sir,
This conference will
and
now be
you
recorded.
ended the meeting, sir. So one more time, sir, your number, please.
Acha, 1 minute.
This conference will now be recorded.